Other than stretching and relaxing your muscles, आपका जो सांस है, your breathing pattern should also get like normal. And there are ways to do it in such a way that straight out of your running track or after a hard round of sparring, you can come out and breathe like this in such a way that as fast as possible you will get back to what is called as normal. There are many ways in which you can relax your body muscles and also you can bring your breath to a normal way of उसका थोड़ा सा normal कर सकते हैं. So it depends on your intensity. For example, I've just finished a sparring round. Go outside and this is number 1. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. ऐसा नहीं, थोड़ा सा लंबा होता है because this works after running. I've used this many times. So just like after some fitness tests and all, after running they require you to go straight to push-ups or squats, just like Indian Navy, Indian Army. They will ask you to run and after that straight into push-ups or squat or something like that. So you don't have time to relax and all. So I use this technique many times when I tried for this. मेडिकल में फेल हो गए थे, हाथ में पसीना आता है, कोई बात नहीं. So what you can do is breathe in through your nose. Maybe you can bend down a little, make your body, upper body like horizontal. Breathe in through your nose. Make sure you fill up your lungs and breathe out through your mouth. Mouth. ठीक है, मुंह होता है ना, ये जो होता है, जो बंद नहीं होता हमसे. ठीक है, ऐसा 10-15 बार के बाद थोड़ा नॉर्मल होगा. Now you have to go to second type. Second type is close your mouth. Now we are only concentrating on the नाक से अंदर और नाक से बाहर. Make sure you're also using some hand movements with it. So you can do like, and for the second one you can do. Comparative to many other techniques, this will be something that will help you to get back to your normal breathing pattern as soon as possible. I just realized that this is also supported by modern science. हमारे नाना जी जो अभी नहीं है, पहले जब वो हॉस्पिटलाइज वगैरह हुए थे तो डॉक्टर्स ने उनका लंग कैपेसिटी वगैरह को और जो लंग्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग करने के लिए सजेस्ट किया था. एक मशीन सी थी, मशीन नहीं थी, एक टॉय जैसा था, उसमें ऐसा ट्यूब होता है. This is an instrument that my grandfather used. It is like 2-3 tubes with balls and there is a pipe. उस पाइप में नाना ऐसे फूंक मारते थे and the balls will go up. So you inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. This is not only good for recovering from fatigue. This is also good for strengthening your lungs. और यही चीज सदियों से लेके अभी तक, अभी भी आपके कहीं पड़ोस में किसी मंदिर में कोई शंख बजा रहा होगा, जो कि एक बहुत अच्छी लंग्स की एक्सरसाइज है. And there is one correction while doing the first one. It's not like ha, it is like, because when you make this opening smaller in some way, it requires more pressure and your lungs get more exercise. And you can kind of push it in a better way, maybe. Okay, maybe. तो मतलब सांस लेते और छोड़ते हुए ऐसे करना है, ऐसे नहीं. वाइल्ड स्टोन के ऐड में जैसे सांस लेते हैं ना, ऐसे नहीं लेना है, ठीक है. हाँ. So breathing like this after a very heavy or hard exercise is something that I have used myself and it works. And even if it doesn't work, it is anyway cooler and it looks better than you just dropping on the ground. उससे अच्छा लगता है देखने में भी, तो थोड़ा स्टैंडर्ड भी बना रहेगा. So that's all for today. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe and press the bell icon, and the bell icon, press the icon, the bell icon, press the bell icon, and thank you. And one more thing, our content is now available on Bujin TV. Bujin TV is the Netflix of martial arts, where you'll find hundreds of video clips of seminars and stuff that you will like. So don't forget to use the code Karate TV for getting first month free subscription.